What's up guys, it's Michael here with another weekly review coming for this trading week on the 18th of January 2021, and this is a short trading week because of the Martin Luther King Day that will take place on this Monday, so basically on the 18th. So we will start our trading week on the 19th, on Tuesday, and we got plenty to watch for. Hot stocks that I will give you in a second, and lots of good news that will push the market up or down and basically will create this volatility that we all like to trade. So let's start. Okay, so the major news that we've got to watch for when you're trading this week and probably the next few months as well is coming from last week's speech from the elected president Joe Biden, that's saying basically that is America, the Rescue America plan is will include $1.9 trillion, and this will be only the first step. So basically, as we saw the last 10, almost 12 years now, or 13 years now, the presidents are basically pushing much more money to the market, and it will definitely push the stocks much more higher. So he's basically saying that he will spend a lot of money and will put it obviously in the market at the end, because it's saying they will increase the support in the vaccine companies and also the ones in need. So basically those people in the US will get cash to their account, and they will obviously spend it either buying food, and obviously stocks, food will go higher, or clothes that they need, or whatever they want to spend it on. So it's definitely should move again the stock market higher. It's not necessary that it will be this week specifically, but at the long run, if we're looking at the 6 months or 12 months from here, definitely we can see the market is pushing higher and higher, unless we will have like a black swan, something that we are not aware of and not expecting, like the coronavirus, for example. This week we have two major announcements in MRK and AUPH. Both are biotech companies, and the FDA on the 20th and on the 22nd will decide if he approve their new drug and treatment. Obviously, if they will get approved from the FDA, the stocks will skyrocket. So just keep an eye on them. MRK it's on the 20th, and AUPH is on the 22nd. So it will be this week. They will pop up if the FDA will decide to approve their treatment. So take a look, watch them, and trade them wisely. Okay, so this time on the charts we have the NQ symbol. It's the Nasdaq 100, meaning the 100 largest tech companies that have been traded in the US. And on the right side, you can see here the ES and the S&P 500, also in a 4-hour chart, meaning every bar that you see here represents 4 hours of trading. Now, as you can see, both of them are kind of the same. We have a nice momentum channel to the upside on both of them, and we tested it already at the bottom line, the support level, and also on the resistance level. Here in the S&P, we touched it several of times, and also on the upside. And here in the Nasdaq, we only touched it one time. So the scenarios for this week are pretty simple. It's either going to break this support level, retest it, and then continue down, or the opposite direction will be that it will, instead of breaking this level, it will hold this level and then continue to the upside. The same could be here in the ES, the S&P 500. So either dropping down, breaking through the level, retest it, and then going down, or when moving down to this level, the support level, from here we will find some buyers that will push the price higher again. So keep an eye on both these scenarios. One of them will probably occur, and at the moment, at least, I'm thinking more to the upside than to the downside. So Probably we will start with a drop just to get to those support levels, and then from there a push higher, when in the background we have Biden saying again that he will push more money to the market. So this will be a great opportunity to buy if we will hold these support levels. I got two hot major stocks that you want to watch for and maybe buy them this week. The first one is CAR, Avis Budget, the rental and sales company. Took a major drop on the coronavirus, obviously, and from March, from $6 went all the way up to $40. That's insane. And we're not done with the coronavirus, and the company is still moving and rising more and more. So this will be a great opportunity to buy it above 40.38. This is a resistant level, a major resistant level from the last 2 or 3 months. And if it will break through that, it should continue higher, at least to this the second resistant level around the 45.80, 46. So we got plenty of move to the upside. And the second one that I'm watching is BYND, Beyond Meat. That's the meat replacement company, the vegan company. And it took also a nice drop around October when the relationship with McDonald's failed. But 2 days ago, you got new announcement from Taco Bell's, and they actually made a nice deal that it will provide 2 Taco Bells in the US and also in other countries with their meat replacement. And this should be a great deal to push the stock higher. So I'm watching it for this week above 144.73. If it will break through this resistance level, it should continue higher, maybe to the 150, and then got plenty of room all the way to the 170. So keep an eye on that one as well. BYND looking great. I got a few other stocks, but I will keep them for maybe later on this week. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, and our email list. We're sending lots of good information every single day, and it's all free. So keep an eye, and you got all the information below in the link. That's it. I hope you have a great trading week, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.